Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how you can use Rella for social media management. The first thing you're going to do when you create your Rella account is update your social space. You're going to go to your social space, hit settings, go to links, and connect all of the accounts that you'll be using for Rella. You'll then click out of your settings, click on Ella, and update your persona. All you have to do is enter your website and your persona will automatically be updated. You can approve or reject any of the persona that it generates for you, and you can also speak to Ella over here and add any more information that you need. And then to make the most out of Rella, you'll go back to your settings, go to team members, and invite any team members. Now, if you want to customize your social space, go back to your social space settings, go to your space, and you can rename your space. And you can also customize any of the colors for any of the platforms. So you can make it all in your own branding. And you can even add custom platforms so that if there's anything that Rella doesn't connect to, you can actually still plan it on Rella. For example, a podcast or a newsletter or maybe a marketing event. Take a look at Rella's other settings in the social space to see how else you can customize it so that it fits the way that you and your team work. From here, I recommend that you get Ella to generate your content calendar for you just so that you can see the power of Ella. If you go to Ella, you can ask it, come up with next week's content for me based off of what does well and what doesn't. Because Ella has your analytics and it's already created a persona for you, it's actually going to come up with content that is going to do well and is in your brand voice. And it's going to do all of this in seconds. I'm already looking through my analytics, so it's actually going to give me posts that I will most likely use. I can look through and see if I like it, and it's even timing it based off of the best times to post for my specific. It's going to draft the caption, set the schedule time, and add them directly to my calendar. Ella went ahead and created the entire next week's worth of content, and I didn't even give it that much insight. All I did was connect my account and fill out my persona. But you can be as specific as you want with Ella so that she can adjust. She's added all of the titles, the captions, the platforms, and even an outline in the notes. So all I have to do is approve it or reject it and give it feedback. Let's accept, and now it's added to the calendar. If I go back to this board view, I can see all of the ideas here, and I can easily drag and drop them based off of the status that it's in. And one of the great things about Rella is that we do have different views, like the board view, where you can actually update your statuses and change all of these statuses based off of how you and your team work. All of the statuses are editable, and they are also able to be color coordinated. Rella has a table view, a calendar view, and a previews tab. You're also able to see how everything looks on the feed. And this is based off of your actual Instagram account that you've connected. And then when you start adding posts to Rella, they'll populate over here so that you can rearrange them within Rella or see how they look on the feed. If you click into a post over here, you can start adding content, and you can add it from your device, your gallery, which is within Rella, Google Drive, or Canva. Let's add a piece of content here. I uploaded an example piece of content so you can see what it looks like, but over here you see I added the cover photo, and over here is the actual video, which can play directly in Rella. I'm able to change the title. I can add assignees, change the status, add it to a specific project. I can add multiple platforms, add any internal tags. So you might want to say that this is a talking head video and add that as a content pillar. You are also able to schedule this at a certain time, toggle on auto post once it's ready to auto post, and change the caption. We also have hashtags and saved hashtags if you would like to save any hashtag groups. For Instagram, you can tag any users, collaborators, add your location. And we also are a task management tool, so you can add tasks here like edit and change the start and end date for that and assign someone to it. You can expand this task if you want to leave any notes or communicate with anyone within your team. Once it's been completed, you can check it off, and you can also add any internal files for any briefs, contracts, inspiration, or maybe old versions. At the bottom, we do have a notes section, so you can use this for your script, your outline, anything that you'd like. If you'd like to repurpose any content, so change the caption, let's say, for Instagram versus TikTok, or maybe schedule them at different times, you can just hit this repurpose button and it's going to split it out into two, so you can easily edit each platform. And if you need to communicate with your team, you can go to our activity section, tag any team members, and communicate with them. If you're looking to send content for approval, all you have to do is hit share your social space, or you can also share projects or individual posts. Change this to anyone with the link can view. Make sure all of your content is selected. Copy the link or share it via email. And this can go out to clients, bosses, coworkers, anyone that needs to view, approve, or leave feedback. We have an entire tutorial that you can actually send to your clients if you'd like, but your clients are able to open up this view. They're able to click into the post, approve content, and leave feedback. And as content continues to be added to your space and is public, that link will remain active, so you don't need to send a new link every single time you add a new post. And when content is ready to auto post, all you have to do is come here and toggle on auto post. You can also look into your platform settings to change anything that you'd like, including adding trending audio to your reels. And if you need content to require approval, you can toggle on require approval. Rella also has analytics. Our analytics are for all platforms, or you can click into the specific one, and you're able to generate insights and reports. You can share these reports with anyone via a link. Copy link or share via email. You're also able to view paid ads reports if you do have a paid ad account connected. You can also ask Ella for insights, and it's actually going to give you insights on what's working and what isn't. As Ella's pulling up your insights, you can think of Ella as your content strategist, and you can ask Ella anything. She is here to work with you and make sure that you understand your social media better and can actually do things that you need it to do. If there are any recurring tasks like sending a monthly analytics report to your clients, getting trending sounds every single week, auto-generating a caption when content is added, you are able to do that with Ella Workflows, and you can pick from any of our prompts or create one from scratch. Lastly, you can answer any of your comments or DMs for Instagram directly on Rella. Rella is the operating system for social media managers and teams, from anyone working on one brand to a multi-layered organization. Let us know if you have any questions, and if you need any more resources, we have our support docs to help you.